Hi, hello everybody. This is your Srinivas. Welcome to Srinivasa Academy. Dear students, నేను మీకు ప్రామిస్ చేసినట్టుగానే ప్రతిరోజు ఒక అద్భుతమైన టెక్నిక్తో మీ ముందుకు వస్తానని చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఈ రోజు కూడా ఒక అద్భుతమైన టెక్నిక్తో మీ ముందుకు రావడం జరిగింది. అది సర్కిల్స్ రిలేటెడ్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఎక్కువ మంది డిఫికల్టీగా ఫీల్ అయ్యేది కాన్సైక్లిక్ పాయింట్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ లెట్ us see what about concyclic points. Okay, concyclic points are nothing but four points lying on the same circle. 4 points lie on the same circle. Okay, these are called concyclic points. Not only 4 points, minimum 4 points. Why? Because 3 non-collinear points always lie on the same circle. If there is a 4th point on that circle, then only they are called concyclic points. Do observe that here capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, all these 4 points are lying on the same circle. They are called concyclic points. If capital E is another point to lie on the same circle, then that is also called situation of concyclic points. Okay, see here we have one theorem that P is a point. Any point need not be outside point of a circle. Don't think about P is an exterior point. So P is any point in the plane of circle. If we draw a card through the P to the circle so that it is intersecting at 2 distinct points, PA into PB is power of a point S11. We know very well that PA into PB is equals to S11. In the same way, see the second diagram. P is a point lies outside the circle, need not be outside the circle. Again I am telling you that P position need not be an outside point. Sometimes it may be interior point also. Through the point P, 2 cards are drawn to the circle PAB, PCD. Just now we have seen PA into PB is power of a point. PC into PD is also power of a point, same as S11. Because of P lies outside the circle, PA into PB is equal to S11. PC into PD is also equals to S11. We get PA into PB is equals to PC into PD. Okay, so next, in another situation, P is an interior point of a circle. Through the interior point also we can draw 2 cards to the circle. Now capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D are the end points of 2 cards. PA into PB will be power of a point according to this theorem. PC into PD is also S11 according to this theorem. So both are the values of S11. That's why PA into PB is equals to PC into PD. Here also S11. Do observe that in these 2 diagrams, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D lying on the same circle, we can say them as concyclic points. Concyclic points means 4 or more points lying on the same circle. Here also capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D are on the same circle. That's why they are also concyclic. Okay, let us see. If a circle meets the x-axis at 2 points, small a comma 0, small b comma 0, circle meets the y-axis in 2 distinct points. Let them, whichever you like, of course, let them 0 comma c, 0 comma d. Then what will be happening? Okay, do observe that circle is intersecting both the coordinate axes in 2 distinct points. This is a circle. This is a circle intersecting at capital A comma 0, capital B comma 0, capital C 0 comma C, capital D 0 comma D. What did you observe now? Origin is the outside point of a circle as the point B. From the origin, one card is drawn to the circle so that intersecting at capital A and capital B. From the same origin, we are drawing one more card to the circle so that it is also intersecting the circle in two distinct points, capital C and capital D. Then let us observe what will be happening. Because of it is outside point, O is outside point. According to previous conditions, we know that OA into OB is equals to OC into OD. O to A distance is small a as the point capital A coordinates A comma 0. O to B distance small b, this is small c, this is small d. AB is equals to CD. AB is equals to CD. This is the condition. Same condition can also be explained as if a circle meets the coordinate axis in 4 concyclic points A comma 0, B comma 0, 0 comma C, 0 comma D, then the condition AB is equals to CD, which is nothing but product of x coordinates is equals to product of y coordinates. Okay, let us discuss one question related to this concept. If the 4 points 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 0 comma 3, 0 comma k. See this question. If the 4 points 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 0 comma 3, 0 comma k are concyclic, then k is equals to. What did you observe from this question? Now the circle is intersecting the coordinate axis. Intersecting the coordinate axis in 4 concyclic points. Capital A 1 comma 0. Capital B 2 comma 0, capital C 0 comma 3, capital D 0 comma k. Just now we have discussed the condition. These are 4 concyclic points and observe that 2 of them are lying on x-axis, 2 of them are lying on y-axis. So we have discussed just now the condition. Product of x coordinates is equals to product of y coordinates. 1 into 2 is equals to 3 into k. Now the value of k is 2 by 3. Answer just in one line. So if such 4 points are concyclic, this is the condition. Let's move on to another question. See, this concept application model, if the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. These are the 2 straight lines intersecting the coordinate axis in concyclic points. Intersecting the coordinate axis in concyclic points. Then what will be the condition? Very simple, very easy to derive. This is a coordinate system. Origin. This is a circle intersecting the coordinate axis in two distinct points x-axis and in 2 distinct points y-axis. Total there are 4 points. Do observe that these 4 points are concyclic. Capital A comma capital B comma capital C and capital D lying on the same circle. But in the previous concept, A point coordinates given, B point coordinates given, C point coordinates given, D point coordinates given. But now without coordinates of a point, straight lines equations are given. Two straight lines intersecting the coordinate axis in 4 concyclic points. Okay, let those equations be. Okay, one of the straight line is AD. For example, this is a straight line passing through A and D. Let it be A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equals to 0. Another straight line which is passing through C and B. Another straight line passing through C and B. Let it be A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equals to 0. Okay. First straight line, x-intercept is minus C1 by A1. So A point coordinates minus C1 by A1 comma 0. Second straight line intersecting the x-axis at capital B, its x-intercept is minus C2 by A2. That's why B point coordinates minus C2 by A2 comma 0. And y-intercept of the first line will be minus C1 by B1. As the point lies on y-axis, we can take it as 0 comma minus C1 by B1, and this is 0 comma minus C2 by B2. Now, these 4 are concyclic points looking like A comma 0, B comma 0, 0 comma C, 0 comma D. Okay. Now, concyclic points condition, AB is equals to CD. But here A is minus C1 by A1 into B is minus C2 by A2 is equals to minus C1 by B1 into minus C2 by B2. Cancelled, cancelled. Therefore, A1, A2 is equals to B1, B2. This is the condition. A1, A2 is equals to B1, B2 stands for product of X coefficients is equals to product of Y coefficients. Product of X coefficients is equals to product of Y coefficients. Okay. So that is A1, A2 is equals to B1, B2. Let us apply this concept to solve the problems. Okay. See, if the lines 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equals to 0 and kx minus 7y plus 8 is equals to 0 intersects the coordinate axis in concyclic points. They are intersecting coordinate axis in 4 points. Those 4 points are concyclic. Then the value of k is, just now we have seen, condition is A1, A2 is equals to B1, B2. A1, A2 means X coefficients product. B1, B2 Y coefficients product. So K value minus 28 by 3. This is answer. Simple answer. Whenever two straight lines intersects the coordinate axis in 4 concyclic points, then this is the procedure to find unknown term. Okay, let's do one more problem. Find the value of k. Find the value of k from the given figure. From the given figure. Okay. This is given figure. Somewhere here P, this is A, this is B, this side 4, this side K, this side 6, this side 8. C, D. Find the value of K from the given figure. So what happens in that figure? P is interior point. From the point P, two cards are drawn. Those cards end points lying on the same circle means 4 points are concyclic. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D are concyclic. Then what is the value of K? In order to find K value, we can use PA into PB is equals to PC into PD. Just now we have discussed it before going to start our problems. PA into PB, K into 4 is equals to PC into PD, 6 into 8, 4 ones, 4 twos. Therefore, K value 12. So this is the way to find unknown value from the given concept. See, regarding concyclic points, one more concept. 4 points, M1 comma 1 by M1, M2 comma 1 by M2, M3 comma 1 by M3, M4 comma 1 by M4 are concyclic. Then what will be the condition? Okay. See, these are concyclic means lying on the same circle. Somewhere here, point capital A, M1 comma 1 by M1. This is a point capital B, M2 comma 1 by M2. This is a point capital C, M3 comma 1 by M3. And this is a point capital D, M4 comma 1 by M4. Okay. Do observe that. Let the circle equation be. Let the circle equation be x square plus y square is equals to a square. As the point M1 comma 1 by M1 lies on this circle, so we get M1 square plus 1 by M1 square is equals to a square. M1 power 4 minus a square times M1 square plus 1 is equals to 0. Number 1. Similarly, we get M2 1 by M2 lies on this circle. We get M2 power 4 minus a square M1 square plus 1 is equals to 0. Next, M3 power 4 minus a square M3 square plus 1 is equals to 0. M4 power 4 minus a square M4 square plus 1 is equals to 0 means, in other words, M1 comma, M2 comma, M3 comma, M4 are satisfying the equation M power 4 minus a square M square plus 1 is equals to 0. It is a biquadratic equation in variable M. It has 4 roots. Let those 4 roots be M1, M2, M3, M4. M1 into M2 into M3 into M4 stands for product of the roots. Product of the roots of biquadratic equation. Last term coefficient by first term coefficient. So this is the condition. Whenever 4 points are in the form of M1 comma 1 by M1, M2 comma 1 by M2, M3 comma 1 by M3 and M4 comma 1 by M4 are concyclic, then product of their x coordinates is equals to 1. Let us apply this concept while solving the problems. Okay, let's take one example. If the points 2 comma 1 by 2, 3 comma 1 by 3, 4 comma 1 by 4, k comma 1 by k are concyclic, then k is equals to how much? These 4 points are lying on the same circle. Then what is the value of k? First you check whether these 4 points are in this form or not. Means each point contains x coordinate and y coordinate is its reciprocal. The product of x and y coordinates is equals to 1. X and y coordinates are reciprocals to each other. Then the condition m1, m2, m3, m4 is equals to 1. 2 into 3 into 4 into k is equals to 1. Therefore k is equals to 1 by 24. So this is about concyclic points in a circle. Very, very important concept. Dear students, please like, share and subscribe Srinivasa Academy YouTube channel for more and more shortcuts and more videos. Every day one video will be uploaded with shortcuts. Okay, thank you one and all.